This is our rescue wagon, which is our 5x8 conversion cargo camper.
So if you have something that you use that you've customized, put that in the comments below and share with us. We would love to see it and hear about it. And also, please, please, please subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like this video.
So one of the things with our 5x8 cargo camper, we end up putting a lot of accessories outside of the camper. So today, I'm going to show you the fishing pole holder that we put on.
We love to fish, and we are not fisher people.
No.
We're not very good at it, but we do enjoy it. It allows us to just get out there, enjoy nature, and just kind of be mindful in the moments that we're enjoying on our adventures. One of the things that that's really important to me is that we have the stuff on the outside of the rescue wagon as much as possible, because there is seriously limited room inside. And I definitely don't want fishy stuff inside.
We just wanted something that we could put our equipment in real easy, get it from point A to point B, and have it be secure. So today I'm going to take you through and I'm going to show you what we did to make that happen. We decided to put the fishing pole holder on the front of the camper. It was just a good place that had enough space to accommodate it. First step is to purchase a fishing pole holder from Amazon, and the link is in the description below. This fishing pole holder was actually very high quality for the cost. The next step for mounting the fishing pole holder was to put butyl tape in behind and then use self-tapping sheet metal screws to drill into the studs. Now, this was a great value on Amazon, but one of the things I didn't realize right away is there's a stopper in here. So what it does, it makes it shallow for the amount of pole that can go in there. So I wanted a pole holder that came all the way down like this, where it would stop at the reel. But the stopper's right here, so it would only put it in coming up like this. So what I had to do is figure out a way, how can I secure this? Because I went back to order another one, but to get one that was deeper, they were like $150 to $200. They were ridiculously priced, and they didn't even look as nice as this. So I had to figure out a way to secure them in there. Well, one of the things I thought is, I need something to hold it on the top. Maybe they could clamp over it. Well, it just so happens that up in the attic, I had this ski rack that I had for skiing, and we bought a different kind of rack, so I had this and it was surplus. So I thought, well, I wonder if I could put it up here to hold the top of the poles, and then it even has a lock on it, so somebody can't just walk by and grab a pole. Not that I have expensive poles, but you know, to keep it secure. So if you have used something like this, if you've taken something and repurposed it, please comment below, because you know, it's little tricks and tips and things like this that people create out of need that are really so helpful to me and so helpful to others. Also, we would love it if you would subscribe to our channel and give us a like if you like one of our videos that we've done. So the next thing you need to do is just get a ski rack. They're actually not very expensive on Amazon, depending on how big a one you want, but they're really inexpensive. You can get one off Facebook Marketplace. Lots of places you can snag one up for very cheap. Okay, so the next thing you'll need to do once you get your ski rack is to get some aluminum strips. You can get those from any home improvement store. And the reason you're going to need those is, unless you're luckier than me, your studs are not going to line up with the way the ski rack lays. So what I had to do is get the aluminum strips. To install your aluminum strips, you want to use butyl tape on the back of your aluminum strips and use a self-tapping sheet metal screw to secure them into the studs. Your next step is going to be to secure your ski rack onto your aluminum strips. The aluminum strips go into the studs. That way, that gives you the freedom to put your ski rack where you need to, and it will still stay secure. You can secure your fishing poles either full length, or you can break them down halfway. I prefer to break them down halfway. To put them in, you just push it down. Now you'll see that the actual ski rack pushes out the top. So you just want to put that in, get it lined up over here, and then grab your additional poles. Make sure they're kind of on the way there. And then you can secure it here. You can even, you know, adjust them as needed. And then the best part about this is there's a lock too. So I mean, somebody could still technically probably steal your pole even with the lock on there, but it would take a whole lot more for them to do it. It would be very hard. So, that was a good one right there. So there's a big red button to release that, as we can see, but keeps them nice and secure, nice and solid, and allows you to get to where you're going, have your fishing poles in good shape. So doing things yourself, reusing, repurposing other items, making things cool, it all allows you to be free.